न मन्त्रो न तीर्थं न मेदा न यज्ञः अहं भोजनं देव भोजं न भोक्तः चिदानन्दरूपः शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहम् तुम्हारे दर्शन की बेला ये मौसम रास रचाने का ये उल्लास की सांसें समय मस्ती में जीने का न तातो न माता न बन्धो न दाता न पुत्रो न पुत्री न भृत्यो न भर्ता Feeling that presence, feeling that grace, feeling that radiance.
Words had a very profound effect on me.
So beautiful experience.
I felt goosebumps all over my body and I could feel love and compassion.
मुझे ऐसा लगा मेरे सारे डिजायर जो है वो अब नहीं है.
But when I sat here now in front of the candle and with Osi's voice, it just made me break down and I cried and I really forgive myself for whatever